deal with something like this? Like, what do? You just gotta wait till it goes away?
Yeah, you just wait till it goes away. It's so high. I'm not from around here, but I'm assuming that's really high. Because they usually don't put telephone poles in the water.
Yeah, it's usually like a...
The other side too.
That side.
Wow, there's a road that goes there. There's a road. There was a road.
15 north.
I saw that. She wrote that one into there too.
Whoa, look at that guy's place.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you got that weeping willow. There was a really fancy fence that went up the hill. The guy was like, screw the wetness. I'm going up here.
In a quarter mile, turn slight right onto Highway 15 north.
Got a stop sign coming up. Whoa! I see.
Turn slight
Oh, man.
right
That's,
onto Highway
that's-
15
found it.
north.
That's the spot.
Okay, so we are getting ready to go encounter some of the more extensive flooding that we saw. Tell Mr. Tiki your thoughts.
It's wet outside. Well, not. I mean, it's wet over there somewhere. I imagine we're going past those barricades.
Mm. A recreation. What? What? Oh.
Splash pad. How appropriate.
Yeah, this is a recreation complex of some kind.
Splash roulette.
A lot of water. There's like a ramp stairs thing that go down into something. That looks like a roof. I think there's some kind of drain in the middle of that black thing because I see water swirling. Or, you know, it's an animal. There's some kind of drain desperately trying to suck water from the middle of that black thing. Those are more roofs of some kind. Trucks are stuck, you know. Find pictures of this place. It's not underwater. That's troubling. Is this a boat ramp? Got baseball stadium. Whee. More stairs that lead down. That's a door.
That's a door.
That's a people door.
That's a people door. That's a dugout. And that's a scoreboard back there. And those are yeah. That's a lot on the water.
This water is cruising. Like, if you fell in this, it would knock you out. Definitely take you down.
Well, yeah, but surely you're gonna boat dock.
That's a boat ramp. It's a boat ramp. That's a flagpole. The water's almost up to the sign on. I don't know what these roofs are for.
Well, you can see there's a Coca-Cola sign.
Yeah.
Way over there. So I'm assuming it's concession.
Ah, there's the scoreboard I couldn't see.
Yeah, and there's another roof over there.